Martin sir. This is my presentation about the laboratory techniques and apparatus in chemistry lab for engineering lab. Ang laboratory techniques po ay it refers to the procedures and methods used in my laboratory to perform experiment, tests, and analysis. Ang technique po na ito ay essential in obtaining accurate and reliable results. Ang halimbawa po nito ay nitong nit, nito po ay ang titration. Ang titration po ay ang, ang teknik na ito po ay ginagamit sa determine the concentration of a solution by reacting it with a solution known concentrations. Ito po ay mahalaga sa analytical chemistry for determining the purity of substance. At ang kasunod po nito ay ang chromatography. Ang technique po na ito ay ginagamit to separate and identify the components of a mixture. Mahalaga po ito sa biochemistry for analyzing complex and textures of proteins and nucleic acids. And spectroscopy. Ang technique po na ito ay ginagamit sa to study and interaction of light with matter. Ito po ay mahalaga sa analytical chemistry for identifying unknown substances. And microscopy po ay ito po ay ginagamit sa a study of small objects that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Ito po ay mahalaga in biology for studying cells and microorganisms. Tangasunod po nito ay ang PCR or polymerase change reaction. Ang technique po na ito ay ginagamit sa amplified DNA sequences. Malagay po ito sa molecular biology. So sa pag-study po ng genes and genetic disorders po. At ang huli po ay ang electrophoresis. Ang technique po na ito ay ginagamit to separate DNA, RNA, and proteins based on their size and charge. Ito po ay mahalaga sa molecular biology for analyzing DNA and RNA samples. And next po nito ay ang safety conduct well inside in the laboratory. Pag ikaw po ay nasa work in the laboratory can be hazardous and proper safety precautions are not taken. Ito po ang mga example mo nito ay ang mga safety-conduct in habang ikaw ay nasa laboratory. Ang siguraduhin na wear the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE such as lab coats, glove, and safety glasses. Dapat mo rin alam mo rin po ang location ng mga emergency equipments like fire extinguisher, eye wash station, and safety showers. follows by the proper storage and labeling procedures and chemical hazardous materials. Do not eat, drink, or smoke in the laboratory. Use equipments only for its intended purpose and follow proper operating procedures. Report any accident, injuries, or spills immediately to the supervisors. And next mo ay importance of following safety guidelines and rules and in the laboratory. Ang pag-follow po para sa iyong safety guidelines and rules sa laboratory po ay crucial to prevent accident, injuries, and exposure on hazardous materials. Ito po ay mahalaga to protect yourself, your colleagues, and to the environment. Failure to follow safety guidelines and rules can result in serious consequences such as chemical burn, fire, exposure to toxic and so many. By following safety guidelines to rules, you can ensure a safe and healthy laboratory environment for everyone. Kung papasok ka po sa laboratory, mahalagang malaman o matutunan ang tungkol sa mga rules dito sa laboratory or kung ano yung mga bawal na gawin pag ikaw ay nasa laboratory. And mahalaga rin malaman po ang kung ano po yung kahalagahan ng mga equipments kung saan mo gagamitin dito sa laboratory. And if you are going to kung gusto mong ikaw ay maging safety ay sumunod ka sa mga rule dito sa laboratory. Ilan po. Maraming salamat.